Alright, so we got all the seats out. There we go, seat pan. The seat pan over there has got a bit of a crack in it, so maybe we're going to have to pull the seat pan out and repair that crack. So they've cut a hole in there because obviously the control arm rubs. That's fantastic. That's great. Anyway, but dirt everywhere. So yeah, let's clean it. Let's give it a quick clean. It's a bit of an oil leak there, which we've got to sort out. But that comes from that bugger over there in the tank, which has been epoxied. The crack in it, a leak in there, and they've epoxied it. So we've got to sort that out. But we're going to whip this tank out anyway and fix it. So yeah, right, let's get going.